If you clicked on this video, you're probably wondering how to create US LLC as a non-resident. And yeah, it's completely possible through the legal way. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact process I have done for myself to get my US LLC and EIN under 30 days. Now you might be thinking, do I need to be in the US? Will I get taxed twice? Or is this even worth it? Well, don't worry. I'm going to answer all of this question and show you the exact 5-step framework to get your LLC up and running even if you're never put in America. And don't miss the step 4 because it's the most important thing of this whole US LLC procedure. So, step 1, choose your state. Not all states are created equal when it comes to LLC. Your choice will affect your cost, privacy, and ongoing compliance requirements. And the three most popular states for non-residents are Delaware, WI, and New Mexico. So if you want maximum privacy, then go for Wyoming or New Mexico. If you're planning to raise funding or need corporate credibility, Delaware is the best. For most international entrepreneurs starting out, this will be the best. And if you are the solopreneur or freelancer like me who want to start out and create an US LLC, go with the WI para option. Then second, get a registered agent. US law requires every LLC to have a registered agent with a physical address in the state where you are forming your company. And as a non-resident, you can't be own registered agent. And what they do, they receive legal documents, text messages, official correspondence on behalf of your LLC. Think of them as your official US mailing address. You can go to any website like Northwest Registered Agent, Gen Business, and it can typically cost you $100 to $300 to get a registered agent. Simply choose your state. They will provide you with a registered agent service as the part of their package. Now moving to the step 3, file your articles of organization. This is the legal document that officially creates your LLC. Without it, your business doesn't exist in the eyes of the US government. What is needed? Your LLC name, registered agent information, business proposed, and member details. Most states have simple one-page forms. So these are the basic names. Well, if when you are giving information, you should probably have that in mind, what LLC you should give, what should be a registered agent, and what is your business proposed. If you are a solo guy, if you are a creator, or if, whatever you're doing, you have to mention that. And members, if you are a solo, then you have the 100% of ownership for that LLC. And you have multiple members, then you have to mention it. So how to file? You can file directly with the state secretary of state website, or use formation services like legal zoom or file. This range from $50 in New Mexico to $300 in these states. Processing time is typically 5 to 15 business days. Through you can pay extra for expedite services, and you can do it all easily. You don't need to go to any website. You don't need to go to do anything. You can do everything in the easy process. And I also do the same because I didn't go to any website. I didn't wait for a long period of time, and I didn't go through a lot of taxation and documentation process because I get support from one of the company who create LLC. They are multinational. They create for people whom you are watching right now, either from Netherlands, either from Nigeria, or from India. I will put the website link of this company, and they form me everything. I talk with their CEO. They are doing their work very well. Also, I give the CEO's number, company's website. You can go and check it out. I don't have any commission with them, guys. If you really want to do everything in the well manner without any headache of any documentation process or all the legal procedure and the timeline, then go with that. And you can see I applied my LLC in the ninth. I think 8 or 9 I applied. On 10 I get my LLC. Then I got my EIN letter. Then on the 10th of January I get my EIN number. So all happened in between the 1 month of time. And it was the Christmas season. Just imagine if there is no Christmas and I was applying for LLC, then it will be done under the 2 3 weeks, under 2 weeks. But it was Christmas season, so it got a little bit late. But most of the time it's 2 to 3 weeks to formation, getting the EIN and every single stuff. Now I will suggest you, if you are applying on the December month, don't apply it. If you are applying on the March or April, don't apply it because these are the financial end year. So they are calculating the taxation and all the stuff. You can check the description. There's link of the website. You can go and check it out. You can apply for LLC by talking to them. Or if you have anything, just ask me in the comment. So in the step 4 and the most important year, obtain your EIN, the employer identification number. Because this is it's mine and I covered all a lot of things, my EIN number, also my business name, so it will be confidential. Why this matter? Your EIN is like a social security number for your business. You will need it to open US bank account, file taxes, and conduct business with American clients. So how you can get it? You can simply go to Form LLC and you have to talk with the CEO. They will file for, especially for the US thing. But for the, if you are from any other country where you are doing your stuff, then you have to file taxation according to your country, to your government. And you have to most probably hire a CA if you are making big money. If you are small money, it depends on the country where you are, because in India I am right now, I can file my tax. It's easy to do. But for the US taxation, if you do by yourself, if you do any mistake, you will get the penalty of $25,000. And if you don't pay taxes, then you will get penalty. And you maybe have the so many doubt, bro, what taxation? Can you clarify simply? So the place you live, that's where you will pay taxes. If you are making $25,000 through your LC, you don't have to pay to the US government with their tax slab rate or corporation tax and all the stuff. But you are in your country, according to their tax rate and slab rate, you have to pay the taxes. So in the US, you just have to give like 100 and $200 just to maintain your LLC, to confirm that okay, my LLC is alive, it's active, I'm going through all the money and procedure. So you have to every single year around before March 15 or April 15. March 15 is for corporate guys, and then April 15 is for the single member LLC like me, who are the solopreneurs and the solo members in the LLC. Guys have to file the form SS4, which will known to the government, okay, your LLC is active and you are doing all the procedure throughout it. And if you will not pay the taxes on time and in time, then you will get penalty $25,000. It can be all done under $350, because for me it's take me around $300 to $350 to create my LLC, to apply for EIN. And right now I'm talking about applying for EIN. So you can see the, if you will do it everything manually, then you have to go through all this procedure, all these things, lot of headaches. So I will just suggest you go to any professional, like I suggested the LLC. Step 5, you got EIN, you got LLC, everything get created. Then what? You can create open US bank account. And opening and US bank account gives you credibility, makes it easier to receive payments from your US clients, and helps you avoid high international transfer fees. That's the biggest problem. And as a non-resident, traditional banks like Chase or Bank Americas are difficult, but Open Mercury, personally I have Mercury, Relay also I have, Wise Business Accounts. These are the three best, or there's a lot of things. And there's a lot of bank accounts you can create, 5, 6 more. And I will just suggest you don't just rely on one bank account, but anything can happen. Because I'm seeing from the people who are making big money, their account gets frozen and they can't withdraw the money. So always when you are making big money, just try to distribute the money. If you are making 100 grand a month, you should have a 5 to 6 bank accounts. So you can split this money to into the 5 bank accounts, 20k, 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 like this. So you, if your any one bank account get froze, still you have 80k, because nothing is guaranteed, anything can happen, the bank can froze. And how to create US bank account, that's what it procedure also says. You need your pasaporte, your national passport or national ID. Best thing is you should have pasaporte. And if you don't have, go and apply. Or you can't open US bank account, you can't receive money, you can't get anything. Also the proof of address, the proof of address, especially your bank statements of the last 6 months or 3 months. And if you don't have bank, I will just suggest you, wherever country you are in, create your bank account, then do some transactions, and give the bank statements. And bank statements will provide you the address, because you are living somewhere and you're giving the address of somewhere, then it's kind of problematic. So you are living in that place, or so your bank is in that place where you created, then the proof of address will be matched, then the password will be verified and the address will be true. Also, after the all these things LLC formation, so they will ask you for the EIN document. So here, the EIN PDF. So I get the 2 pages of EIN, where there's in the one page the EIN number is written and all the stuff. So you have to put that PDF too, so everything will be done. To recap, choose your state wisely according to your need, get a registered agent. 3. File organized docs. 4. Obtain EIN. Then 5. Open US bank accounts. And all these first 4 procedures, it can be done in the right way. If you choose the broker or someone who knows this stuff, they will do all the documentation process for you. So I'm saying it again, go and check it out in the link. And if you find this video helpful, feel free to subscribe to my channel to get more valuable video like this for the business. And see you in the next one.